Sorry, really got me married.
Nah, put it in it. The man.
This man, I want to chicken like it's like the first time I touch a chicken.
I want to finish us down.
No, that is not, bro.
Yeah.
So when you put it on, you work off for them now, two
Yeah.
something.
When name?
Puzzle.
Pause. Yeah, so we are going on a train. You don't know the road now, the only for traffic because people there them yard are prepared for the storm. Yeah. You know, look more. Jeez, I mean, I think I'm going to tell you what I go on, you know, I see.
Bagare.
A bagare. I can see. Trouble in the stop. Schemers, let's go and stay tuned to the vlog. I'm showing you where we reach halfway through. I wonder if the Western Union full. Yeah, the rain just a pick up a little bit. Nothing too serious yet. Storm still out at sea. Yeah man, the rain just start pick up, you know? Steamer's the place not really that full. I know most people there them here because you know storm a come. So you don't know the place not that full. I'm going to money down. People them tape up them window because you don't know storm a come. So the window them in the store them tape up. See there? Storm a come. What we there?
Look, girls, I'm going to see me because I don't go free. You can't marry that. God, sorry, really got me married. I'm blocked away. Hey, fuck him, sorry.
People are the beast and stuff.
Yeah, half a cheek. Yeah. New York, Jamaica, you know.
Yard. I want to stop light and catch you right there, so. Pooping on them head. See, taste is right over there, so. Remember, see a storm time.
Past life. Yeah, past life. If you ignore me, you know my past life. I know you would want to be bad life. If you didn't know
Storm a forward.
starlight, you never
We outside here, after we don't care.
Can't trick me. You want a disaster.
I mean, we're tough on this down.
Regular me fuck up tough crackers and drink water. Pussy if you know we grow up, man, and no shot data. Hit me up if I have gunshot. If you survive me a fire that until me on spray.
One.
Yes, I did just do any go like that. Them say me why give me an animal name. Lion, you know left me a yarn. Evil people we kill you off like Kobe Bryant.
Schemers, the rain just a pick up look a bit. So, you don't know them say the storm a move slow. Melisa move slow. Old Melisa. Move them. close the camera.
Me brother, them a Uganda, stay stronger. Them see we are rise and they want we go under. Pray red man and pin finance and believe lumber. The end real we suffer feel.
Yeah, me I tell you some boy now work, you see that?
Instead of them high grade weed.
One and the dog back in the
Police afraid to me fuck up them as some fucking idiot. The chat and shoes and clothes and clean and make them happy read that. Them make a statement to bird me.
Me I tell you some boy now.
If me have to fire, this over if me have fire that until me on screen. Yeah, that day they screw and he go like that. Them say me why give me animal name.
That's a cool one. Alright.
Evil people we kill you off like Kobe Bryant. Them say me get charged with cocaine and who them kill
people nobody need the screen for wife, you know, but it's the two more game the bill. Just tell it to post the game and rain a fall. So they don't know. But we outside. Hey, go to them.
Welcome to the what?
Welcome to the 876.
Welcome to the
Pussy piece of age, eh?
welcome to the traffic. Never seen a body island really not yacking. Strapping I lacking. Nanny now me back it with no tree use wallet. Our big bomba gal she a out like Dali. So we stay higher for the kush from Cali. To the never valley we like Cali.
People don't just watch the video. Like and share and subscribe. One scheme man. Remember our role is different.
Back to the party, BBC be on my body in the VIP section with the goofy niggas Bobby. They keep with the switch, got that shit on my phone and stay lady with them sticks, pussy sliding in my Jordans.
I don't want to mash up this road here now. I don't want to mash up this road here now. It's the right test up. She can't drive that to slow down. Schemers, you have to slow down when the storm comes. You can't drive that so. You can't have to be a boat. Nobody can cross it.
Oh, you understand it.
Alright.
Roll what?
I don't know if you see the video with the J.U.D.C. but the slow
Yo, Mish, millions of rich. You see it?
I saw we operate over there in Jamaica here. Our town, our place.
Make money live loud. Make money bank out. Make for me man proud. Lifestyle when me live a sea loud. 6, Bobby 6 and life growing. Must have done a top. Independent house, everything me rent. Get a youth for rich enough. Switching up. Boy, way I get up and beg me one kilo. I wanna turn fishing up. Big dirty bitch, you know. Work for the bread, me no rank for your this, you know. 6 bars sitting up. With the rubber clipping up. Full load clipping up. The eagle up. People know me wild and racing up. Benz them Chrissy up. Direct walking. Many bucks.
Show them a spot.
Make money live
Bring it in a rough spot.
Make money bank out. Make for me man proud. Lifestyle when me live a sea loud. 6, Bobby 6 I drive gun. Must have done a top. Not for that no clown. Money no when me do me wash it from sound. Billy Bennett house everything me rent. Monkey here tell them how we stay. We a winner we no play. Can't see me in a day. Funny line me no care. Me no line me no fear. Fine time me no.
Yes, schema. So we're there in a Samparis. I forgot to tell you where we're there. We're there in a Samparis. Alright, schema, see chicken them and we're gonna buy the chicken them for we're gonna buy the chicken them for jerk. Check out one now, what is it? This I like for the pot. How much pound in this? 2,900 that for that. One there for 2 trees. So I want of them. Yeah, kai chicken, we are go jerk. Hmm?
I hope you say they want to think of movement.
Say what I'm going to pay. But you know, so we go for it here, we make the thing look good. Brawling.
The thing look good, man.
That's a cool. Eh, ask the lady? I can't wait right now, so.
Can we get some of
Oh, we cannot get it from right over here, sir. We just you see, you have breast over here, so. You have leg and thigh over here, so. And rib. Oh, we can't. Oh, this is a CB and that's a best dress. Okay. G go fit. Charlie. Yeah, give me the best dress. £5. Yeah, see when we buy it from here, so we know exactly what we are getting in our something. We don't want no wing. That's our chicken right there, so. How much pound this? Let me see. £4 that?
Oh, let's see what's that for me.
We started show. Oh, yeah, and we want 5. £5 of chicken. Alright, that is it. You know, take it up now. We're not pay a shave. Remember the cashier we have to go to? Oh, you have to?
Yeah, I can.
Alright. Also, she have to tag it, she have to put the price on it, schemas.
When you go up there, now go cash.
Oh, when you go up there, if without that, it now go cash. Alright.
It look good.
And we are going to need the seeds of them, though. Yes, so we are go over to the Caesar section.
So you buy them? So you buy them? So you buy them?
A bread you want?
So you
No
buy
bread,
them?
no dip on the counter. So, how much them Caesar?
You don't move to the cheaper one then? The price of the one them. It's a bulk jerk season.
We don't think we're going to need it. We need it in a bulk for them to cook it and meat there. We don't need bulk.
So better buy that one, brother.
All purpose? Yeah, buy that one. We need the all purpose.
One.
Yeah, put it in there. We don't much I think. After the 20 pound of meat or about.
Jerk?
Yeah, put the jerk in there. One chicken.
Meat season.
Chicken season.
It's a meat season, brother.
So let me have chicken season. It's chicken season there. Alright, put them there.
One chicken season, brother.
Gillo, how much meat we want? A bulk season them there, you know. Schemers, me no know. A bag of rain actually. A bag of rain. Yes, so steamers in the supermarket full, so we find a line that we can get through quick. But I want to 10 items, but this look like a more than 10 items we have in there, so the line say 1 to 10 items, but this is like we have around 20 items or 30. Yes, steamers. The supermarket's full. Who now look so supermarket full. You know, Storm come, so the people them have hurry up and a buy. Where's the main frame? Now we have a jerk chicken in the weather. Yeah, man. Poor. E-bike in place. Man, say a video, my friend. Go on, video, the man. I have a video, though. Yeah. So, video, the man, here. No, I take this, man. Yeah, I take the one, here. What you say? Yeah. What else? Yeah. Bro, I love it to my man, man. Alright, big son.
Yeah. All of the cable I got school and the whole of it. Nothing they can do for them one wicked.
Yeah.
Come check them back on me.
See what you know adapt the camera with you.
Yeah. Nobody them can.
I mean attend what you say.
As a trade man. Tell the people what kind of trade they do, no? What kind of trade they do?
The brilliant.
Yeah, what?
Brilliant.
I
mean,
no.
Rich.
Hey, them man
Owner boss.
Them man say buy him casket already.
Yeah.
Come here with him casket.
Brilliant.
I let him lend somebody and then I give me back all now.
I can't show you the sheet. Maybe put my bed down there now. I can't show you. Cut off a piece when I'm coming drop out and give me casket.
Eh?
Sleeping night.
Sleeping night? I'm on a I'll pick a piece of this, man.
Cassava piece.
Yeah.
You see when you turn up on the police station, they Ricky, on big tree there, so you go down in the lane. Yeah, really, boy.
You build a casket and you sleep in it.
Yeah.
But how long that now, car? You build a casket and all now you can't.
I tell you. I'm here 50.
How many guys got the man can't do?
I don't believe in them because they do not much.
So why make you build a casket if you don't believe in it?
Because I don't want to put my family,
problem for buy a casket.
Yeah.
I make it.
Yeah, man, baby, yeah, I would work him do so you can link him up, you know? And the best furniture them around there, yeah.
You see me?
Bring come and spray them for you. Yeah, man. And chop on our dogs, you know?
I got there. So I try to prepare. When I can talk about me deal, you see nothing for me and you see nothing for me. I come here with them watch, you know.
Yeah.
And when I Chantal a friend, Chantal did have a man for, we call it Mall Road. And Chantal take up the watch, you know. And bending a Chantal name to Chantal, you see that what you take up, you don't even know what you're doing to me. 2 tourism man dead.
Dead
left you watch. I watch over him.
He go palm it out.
I over him.
You can't question.
Are you over him?
I tell him lifestyle story, you know.
Me? I do watch when take up.
Over him?
You see for me watch when my grandma give me.
How was the night?
You see,
the guard on you?
Yeah.
And on you, the guard on your
when
people?
you take it off, tap her, you work off again, shut me.
Your puzzle?
Yeah.
You say work off for a puzzle.
Oh.
Your puzzle? Yeah, man, take my...
When you take it off, it tap her.
Yeah.
So when you put it on, you work off for them.
Yeah.
What name?
Puzzle.
Puzzle. It's a puzzle.
When you take it off,
yeah, there are people, them name puzzle.
Yeah, man,
Them
puzzle.
2 something here. A puzzle.
A puzzle.
anytime you take it off, and no matter darkness you're going in,
Yeah.
and you come, sir, you show everything. But normally, like me every time, you can't see nothing funny.
Yeah.
You go in all darkness and you get and uncover it, sir. And the boy take it up now. And I say, Chantal, wrong thing you do, you know. Please. Yeah, beg your back in. And the man dead.
Oh, the man piece of action to me, watch him. Cross is that, man.
Say more is that one day. You know how long you call the film there? On the sidewalk. You know
Yeah, man. You jerk on over here, you know? I get back to a motive for the rest of the day. Jerk some chicken and, you know, bag of rain and weather here. Weather could stop with you, mad. Yeah,
yes,
man.
schemers. So see grill here. See the grill here. So we are going to clean up them here. And we are clean out the grill. And then we're ready. The rain will come down. You know that can't stop because we out here.
Yeah, clean up the grill, man. Huh? The wet coal and the grill, I have to get rid of them, man. Quick.
Fire lighter now. That's your coward. A kerosene and a gas. It now go boof. Oh, man. You have to put coal on it. You have to put coal on it. Nobody put no more. A town man, the man and too know for light fire. So this thing on you? Man, I blaze the thing. Stop blazing now.
Catch the coal, brother, say enough do it again.
Put coal on top of the fire. No more.
man.
The gentleman I want to chicken like it's like a first time I touch a chicken. First time I touch a chicken. This don't look right.
Are you YouTube chef?
Yeah.
You know about food.
Yeah, like him out go know for protect people place. And them big body girl left. But he can't do nothing to help himself. They give him one chicken in watch out. Watch out, look how long to cut one chicken breast. Watch out. Eh? Watch out. Body out my breast.
The two blood. Don't lie. Sasha don't listen to you, a liar.
Where I call it, check me picture. Me a dangerous boy in yourself.
You learn how to cook. Him and a chef.
Yes, a YouTube chef.
YouTube chef, what you know? You think him high? In a guardsman company or something.
I go on YouTube and have a beer, don't. No, I'm going to
No, we're not going to put up what it is.
Yo, see Batty,
He chat too much to show, man.
they are Paul Batty, this is a bag of this. This is not Paul. That's part of water.
The knife worse.
Hold on. Him leave that knife and go for that knife. That feed knife worse.
Done. Me man this. It's good then. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, put a slice. That seeds go down in it. I don't cut it in a two in a slice.
You're not.
Look.
Yo, just slice it, man. Slice it, I put them in there. You can't clean something like that.
Just clean it up, though. Clean up under his skin.
Camera shy.
You see slime there, see something under his skin there. Bojo, see something under his skin there, Bojo. Something I know what them brother.
That YouTube chef, that man.
Yeah, me I say.
You know what? You're not clone.
We go down there for the next time.
That's not over there. Watch out.
It's alright.
I mean, my fly.
I thought we talked.
And then me a drug, I'm looking.
Yeah, but first, we have to eat jerk chicken. We never do this here.
Me a drug with the moon and me, because the moon and see.
You jerk right there?
So drop back around and eat it.
Oh. But different from chicken, you know.
And chicken too. Oh, I them on the grill, watch out. Forgot green. Oh, I them on the grill stays though.
I'm cook a house, do it, cook my king chef, you say? Yeah.
So that's why you want.
Big chef, my friend, I don't do what that. I don't do what Ricky, I don't want that to be friend.
You know what I'm saying? You want a beer for one? You want a beer for one? Flash over mine, says that. It'll be like you just I don't know look style. Yeah, what? She doesn't have a campaign.
I want him to drink of it.
Last night, him say.
I'm beat, you know. The rain a come back down here now, sleep, man.
Live, baby, have a life.
Fun.
Yeah.
YouTube.
No, I think that.
Yeah, we can't go live.
You know my dad?
See fire there? Never use a curse in it.
Go out on the cold, I will block out. See? Cold lazy. I'm good on now, man. Breathe up, water, I'm dropping it.
What?
You not doing it?
Go. John. Yo. Where are they? come back. What if they want to come out and chicken with their jerk? You don't see that? Chicken with their jerk. You see what I want? Jones, you know? I play some ball to come out, you know? Yeah, man. Hold it up, you know? Yeah, pray you would get a landslide up so you can have to double my dog. Eh? Yeah, pray you would get a landslide up so you can have to double. What's your match? I'm going to back. I'm going to do that thing.
Yeah, man, smell the scent there come up off the chicken.
You feel it? Right?
Of course, we feel it.
You smell it now? Feel it?
Zoom out through one chicken pan grill, you know?
Same smell it now for you.
Easy man, kill me. I feel man.
On the nose slow.
Slow burn on nose, I'm not calling.
Yeah, on the nose come like wait name there.
You want the air?
Oh, yourself.
You want to kill them from?
Judge.
You pass through them man that you better.
Flower, come look here.
Rock here, I don't know.
No, flower can't cook, man. Easy, my friend. You can move flower then.
Flower, you can go?
Yeah, that shot is a big guy. If you like it, if you
I see.
yeah, good one.
Yeah, I run out. Yeah,
It's like
it's like a
before you have your job. Feed up that before you have it.
Yeah, my friend.
When you shoot me, I got hurt tomorrow, brother. Ready?
I know.
So them just put on pan grill, Zoom, and everybody look pan them, Zoom.
What is that, Zuma?
Oh, show them what I want to see, man.
Zuma, the fire right on that, Zuma?
Yeah, man, you know what I want for your bone it up. Bone it up, you know what I want it up.
Yeah, the.
Yeah.
Eu sei, eu vou aqui na era. Só que na outra. Hello. Regular water, Zuma.
Season water. Season I go pan it.
Oh, no, my line is up.
Oh, mature water in it. Mature this in it. This is a trainer, Zuma. Oh, better.
Remember the mice DJ chicken pasta? One plug. Yeah.
Already?
No, I want to touch upon him. Tell you the steam tube on the rice with it, you know. I don't believe him.
I tell you come here with you.
Big pussy boy. I mean, come on, that's the water, no? Why you throw the water upon this? Why you do that? Yeah, they think you never do a chicken, you know?
Yeah, you're chicken, eh?
Never.
No, brother.
Yeah, tap that, you know? Yeah, tap that, you know?
So you pimento them never blend out?
No, the parent them come out of the seasoning. Out of the pack seasoning.
Oh.
Them in it, so. Where seasoning there? How much seasoning?
So our pimento with it, boy.
How much seasoning there?
Music, man, put it nice.
Are you seasoning?
Yeah. So our pimento with the boy. He never get for crush.
No. So how can I season it, man? Jerk. Oh. We have to put some curry in it. Want some of them seasoning. You know what?
Nah, this is my one, the knife is dull. The knife is dull like Buju. Buju dull knife to bring from over here.
Hey?
Huh?
Buckler. Ready, man. No rally. You know, friend?
How can I feel? Look what you know on thing, man. Hey? 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 Man looking light. Yeah, man, come on, take everything light. How are you? It's ready, man. I have to check him in jerky. Yeah, no, man, ready, man. Jerky, man. Jerky. Man, ready, man. What's this? Ready, man. Yeah. Man, I will still have more on the grill. I go and soak the same way, you know.
You ready? What?
Fire now come off all the rasses.
I can't pull a fire.
I can't pull a fire. Yo, man, tell you about town, man, you know.
You want some crap for that?
Gotcha. What are we at town, man? As you may need the whole of man. And I feed him face, watch out. Different thing in my day. Tell you. I'm full. Buckler, steamers. Yo, man, buy the bread, man. Where bread there? My moose up.
You buy bread in here.
Where bread there?
You put bread in here.
Yo, brother, how about you? Don't get your brother.
Okay, I would have said that in
You put bread in here.
See the video there? See start right there? Right this one.
You beer.
Yeah. Give me. I want to give it out of 10. Bam.
Bad. Oh, fuck.
9 out of 10. Alright. You can pass. I pass. Yeah, man, that pass, man. It's a pass, sir.
Put bread in here.
Yo, where bread there? See how I reckon, sir?
You know what I mean? I like bread.
Yo. Where's it? Got that? I keep it here, but I have a bum buck at that. Oh, you mean?
No, that is not, bro.
Two bundies. See there? Contra. Or you can put in.
Contra.
That is it. Me have hungry, man.
Hold on,
Yeah.
Zuma say Beanie Man. Beanie Man and Buju for straight chicken. Buju take the Beanie Man take the whole of the blood. Alaya, Kerry. How far chicken them here? How far chicken them here?
No, much, brother. One.
Zuma take the whole of the chicken.
Dog, we don't know. We go get dog number one. Things to dog.
Oh, who not get yet? City man get? Oh, sorry to get. Oh, Booba one piece too?
No, I'm good on
So Mr. Tyrese, Booba.
Chop up two, man. I'll shoot them from Money, sir.
Masuk my career, eh? Masuk my career.
How old is that? How old is it? How old is it?
Schemers, we out here. Look come over.